Hey guys, I'm Shanna. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you may have heard me mention that one of my primary goals for my Rise garden is to grow lettuce for salads to eat at home. I am doing the Rise 30 Heads of Lettuce per Month program. I've made a previous video about how to do this in detail. If you're interested, I will put a link at the end of this video. And otherwise, I was about to rotate my lettuce as I need to do every 9 days. And I thought I'll give you a short video about how to harvest lettuce. So you really have two options when you're harvesting lettuce. The first option is to take only the outer leaves of the lettuce. I do this generally when my lettuce is a little bit smaller and I want to leave the middle of it to get larger, but I want to start eating some of the larger leaves that are on the outside. So you can do this either with scissors, you can do it with your hand, or you can find the largest knife in your knife block. And you're just going to cut towards the base of the leaf and cut the leaf off. And you're going to do this for all of the larger leaves around the outside. Now, I usually don't use a knife this big, but this is what I had clean. So here we go. Or you can also just pull them off, or you could use a pair of kitchen scissors and snip them off. Just you're going to be eating this, so make sure whatever you're using is clean. Now, your second option is, for example, what I'm doing today. I'm going to be rotating my lettuce and getting rid of all of this lettuce entirely. So you can just cut this clean across the bottom, like so, and you get your whole nice bunch of lettuce leaves, and you can throw that right in your salad spinner or your bowl and wash it up and have a dinner. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel.